Okay, so we've just closed up this roof and taped up the sarking and stuff, and I'm just doing my roof inspection, and the first thing I see on the other side of the roof is there's one broken tile there, but because of the sarking, any water going in there is running down the sarking now, right? And this here is obviously leaking too. So when there's a big downpour, that'll have water pouring in it, but it'll be running down the sarking and it'll be rotting out the eaves at the moment. But that's where sarking's not designed to prevent roof leaks. So eventually the sarking gives way and you end up with water coming in the roof, right? So that's why we do a roof inspection and check over things before we go. And so I'll let the customer know that they need to get some bedding and pointing done there, and when they're doing the bedding and pointing they can replace that tile there that's broken. In the meantime, I'll get some silicone put on that and just stop it from leaking as a temporary fix.